Whoa, when did we start a video?
13 seconds ago.
Oh, that's great.
I know, right?
Hi guys. Right? HERRO. Just HERRO.
You want me to write
Right?
HERRO?
No, you can write whatever you want. Because you
Oh, wait.
are smart pants.
Disney.
Mickey Mouse Cleo.
You know that Walt Disney ate small Cuban children?
No, I don't believe he did.
He definitely did.
He definitely didn't. Fine, I'm the devil and you're Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, because the Mickey Mouse is like God and the devil is like not. So.
Ha! I'm not devil anymore. Eat it. I'm Mickey Mouse now.
I don't think so. I do.
Is that a crown?
Okay, let's make it a crown.
Well, I keep messing up. So bad. Way to mess it up. Dang, that worked it out.
Retarded heart. Best friends forever! Yay!
I'm
The mouse.
kissing my cousin, just in case you want to know.
We should post this on YouTube for her. This is a shout out to her.
This is a shout out to Kathy and Olivia. Hey girlfriends. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
It was a dark and stormy night.
Dark. No, okay. Wait, let me see. Let me do it. What? Twas dark and stormy night, and Clea got electrocuted. Haha. Na 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 na.